Hello! Welcome to my new condo. I'm Porby. I had everything done with FineCraft and it just turned out so beautiful. I mean, look at this incredible kitchen design. We started with almost unrecognizable kitchen to begin with. It was all carpet in here and there was a big wall, right here. We extended this out and got more counter space underneath here and modernized basically the entire kitchen. Painted everything in a very neutral white gold tone and had a little bit of a contrast with the backsplash. Got all new appliances, a nice big porcelain sink. Everything was done so perfectly. I mean, I think that FineCraft really saw my vision and really made it come to life, and I'm just really thankful. I had some issues with contractors before this and they really picked up on what I needed to get done, and they're yes people, and so if I needed something done they found out a way to get it done, so I appreciate that. My biggest gratitude is for the flooring, because they did such a wonderful job with leveling the floors and making sure everything flows very nicely. So yeah, very grateful to how everything was kind of put together and the architecture of it and just bringing my vision to life. I think it looks really phenomenal how everything came together. So if you want to follow me here, this is where the bedroom is, and as you can see, they did a really good job, with all of the colors and opening the space up, because it's not really too large bedroom. They also helped me kind of open up the space with this Marge walk-in closet here, with nice even flooring throughout the whole house, essentially. And so everything kind of looks like it's going very congruently between the rooms. So here we have the hallway, and behind this incredible barn door that we just installed is a laundry room. So the hallway doesn't have anything jetting out into it. And it's nice and neat and organized. And this is the best part. So this is our bathroom. It's marvelous. We started with 2 sinks that we combined into one to give a little bit more counter space. Got the FineCraft cabinetry with the shaker style cabinets for the bathroom, just like the kitchen. So I wanted everything to have the same sort of feel to it. And we brought in a little bit of the black outline with the gold outline as well. So the ceiling lights in the bathroom match the flush lights in the hallway and the kitchen lights. So everything sort of flows together nicely. They got these 3, painted these for me, cut them for me, put them all in, very nicely. So everything kind of looks very open. And these floors are really the best part. They are heated tiles. So they're the only flooring in my entire condo that is different from the LVP. And they had meticulously put all those electric coils, and it was a really long process, but it was just done so wonderfully. And I installed, of course, a smart toilet with heated seats, because if FineCraft is going to do this, then I have to make it as nice as it can get. And so lastly, I had a bathtub in here, and we have turned it into this incredible walk-in shower with nice gold hardware, black floors that match the black outline and the gold outline as well, and a matching little door, shower, nook. Yeah, so I mean, it just feels like home. It feels brand new, even though, this was pretty much renovated entirely. And I'm just really excited to be able to utilize all of this, and I'm just so thankful that it got done so quickly and so wonderfully, and just very thankful to FineCraft for everything.